Hello, I'm your Pinellas County Commission Chairman, Ken Welch. Thank you for joining me for this year-end State of the County update for 2013. This has been a productive year for your County Commission, our county leadership team, and our county employees who work hard every day on behalf of the citizens of Pinellas County. The county has tackled a diverse set of issues this year, from revising our emergency medical services or EMS system to modernizing our efforts to manage stormwater and improve water quality, and addressing the growing impact of poverty on our county's productivity, potential, and taxpayer-funded services. In this year-end update, I'll review some of the key issues that the county has worked on in 2013, and I'll provide a preview of a few of the continuing issues and emerging focus areas for 2014 and beyond. Pinellas County has worked hard to make our budget process as open and inclusive as possible. The 2014 fiscal year budget was developed with significant public input, including an e-town hall at the Seminole campus of St. Petersburg College, with participation from more than 1,000 citizens on our blog and web streaming video, and more than 10,000 telephone participants. The Commission also received citizen comments on the budget at several budget work sessions through the county website, emails, and phone calls. In September, the Commission approved the final 2014 fiscal year budget, a $1.7 billion budget, which reflects our community priorities of public health and safety, community development, environmental sustainability, and tourism development, and other key services. The budget also incorporates funding to more effectively meet our community's long-term needs in the area of water quality and stormwater management through a new surface water management program. Another vital service is the county's emergency medical service, or EMS system. Working with our city and fire district partners, the county provides world-class emergency medical response to more than 136,000 calls per year. But escalating costs of fuel, medical supplies, technology, and personnel require a change in our EMS system to ensure its long-term viability. The county has studied this issue over several years, and we have made good progress this year. During my mid-year update, I shared with you that the Commission had made a significant step forward by adopting the principal recommendations of a comprehensive EMS study by Fitch & Associates, an EMS consulting firm hired by the county. The study recommends a modification of the current EMS system called the CARES model, which aims to stabilize and sustain our EMS system through strategic reductions in service capacity during periods of lower demand, while maintaining response times and reserve capacity. The Commission accepted those broad recommendations on August 1st, and since then, county staff have been working to develop an implementation plan based on the principles of the CARES model. This work will continue into the next year in collaboration with our EMS partners countywide. During my mid-year update, I reviewed the continuing progress of Greenlight Pinellas, a countywide initiative to build a more effective, efficient, and convenient public transportation program in Pinellas County. Pinellas County and Tampa Bay lag behind every other metropolitan area when it comes to modern, efficient public transit services. Greenlight Pinellas will change that by funding a modern, dependable, and easy-to-use countywide bus system and a local rail system connecting our downtown centers in Clearwater, Largo, Pinellas Park, the Gateway area, and St. Petersburg, with a future connection to Tampa. Not only will this provide our citizens and visitors with a user-friendly way to move around our county and region, but it will also bring an estimated 3,000 jobs per year and smart, planned growth along the rail corridor while protecting our traditional neighborhoods, parks, and preserves. The benefit of this transit-oriented development model is that it will allow our community to plan for growth, to add density where it is appropriate, while preserving our lower density neighborhoods and green spaces. That is really the only approach that makes sense in Pinellas, which is the most densely populated county in the state of Florida. The Greenlight Pinellas initiative is truly a countywide process, welcoming stakeholders from Tarpon Springs to Tierra Verde. By design, there has been a high degree of community involvement in the Greenlight Pinellas process and the refinement of the proposed bus and local rail plan. More than 100 citizens served on the Greenlight Pinellas civic, business, and public sector committees. These committees have reviewed the plan, provided feedback, and endorsed bringing the plan to the voters. The County Commission will finalize the November 2014 referendum ballot language during our final public hearing of this year on December 10th. This has been a process decades in the making, and this is an exciting time for our community. You can learn more about this important transportation and economic development initiative by visiting www.greenlightpinellas.com. During my initial State of the County address in March of this year, I reviewed the county's Healthy Communities Initiative and the county's groundbreaking report on the economic impact of poverty. The report conservatively estimates that the impact of poverty to Pinellas County is at least $2.5 billion annually. These impacts include poor health and education outcomes, lost wages and earning potential, and increased taxpayer costs for health care, government assistance, and law enforcement, among many other impacts of systemic generational poverty. The county is making good progress in positioning our community to address these challenges in an integrated and comprehensive way, working with government, business, and community stakeholders. In late October, the Commission received an update on this initiative. Action steps completed or in process include the consolidation of several departments under the county administrator into a new department called the Department of Health and Community Services. The goal is to provide more effective service delivery based on collaboration, data management, and preventive services. This is a holistic, collaborative approach focused on measurable outcomes and community impact. Pinellas is a great community, but for many of our citizens, healthcare is an ongoing challenge. Pinellas County ranks 38th out of 67 Florida counties for overall health outcomes. Poverty and lack of access to early preventive health care is a primary driver for our poor health outcomes ranking. We can do better for the benefit of our citizens lacking preventative health care and for the Pinellas taxpayers. The Healthy Communities Initiative envisions a more effective and accessible health care delivery system. The county has received federal grant funding for a medical clinic called the Bayside Health Campus, which will be constructed on county property near the Pinellas Justice Center in Mid-County. The county is also seeking to expand health care availability through the expansion of our current federally qualified health center designation. The expansion of the county designation will provide better leveraging of federal funds and increase access to health care countywide, particularly for Pinellas citizens who have traditionally been overly reliant on emergency rooms for primary health care because of a lack of transportation, access to a health care facility, or health insurance. This important initiative will continue in 2014 and beyond and will help to create a healthier Pinellas. Work also continues on the development of a community redevelopment area for South St. Petersburg. On October 8th, the Commission authorized a blight study, which is an important step in the process of authorizing a community redevelopment area. Final approval of the South St. Petersburg CRA will be a blueprint for utilizing CRAs as a tool to combat the effects of poverty in the other 4 Pinellas communities identified in the Economic Impact of Poverty report. I'm excited that the Commission is partnering with the City of St. Petersburg to bring new tools to this important effort. Each year brings new challenges for our community. We are making progress on the challenges of emergency medical services, the impact of poverty, and transportation, among other issues. More recently, another significant challenge has emerged and is already affecting Pinellas residents and businesses. The Biggert-Waters Flood Insurance Reform Act was intended to stabilize the national flood insurance program, but was implemented without a required affordability assessment and has resulted in unaffordable increases in flood insurance rates for many in our community. The potential impact to our citizens, businesses, and local economy is substantial. Pinellas County has the most subsidized policies in the nation, including thousands of non-waterfront properties. Your County Commission, our staff, are working with community stakeholders, our legislative delegation, and congressional representatives to develop sensible alternatives to stabilize the flood insurance program without having a draconian impact on our property values and economy. I'd like to offer a special note of thanks to Pinellas property appraiser Pam Dubois, who's led the effort to assess the potential impacts of the Flood Insurance Reform Act on Pinellas County and to educate stakeholders on the possible alternatives. This will be a priority for the County Commission until an acceptable resolution is crafted. That concludes this year-end update. This has been a challenging and productive year, and our work continues. On behalf of the Pinellas County Commission, I'd like to thank our county administrator, county attorney, and our county employees for your dedicated service to the citizens of Pinellas County. The County Commission also enjoys a strong partnership with our constitutional officers, including Clerk of the Court Ken Burke, Sheriff Bob Gualtieri, Property Appraiser Pam Dubois, Supervisor of Elections Deborah Clark, Tax Collector Diane Nelson, as well as our judiciary under Chief Judge J. Thomas McGrady, Public Defender Bob Dillinger, and State Attorney Bernie McCabe. Pinellas County government works well because of this collaborative spirit between our elected officials and the active participation of our citizens. Your participation is vital and encouraged. As always, I encourage you to visit our award-winning website to learn about what's happening in your county government, or to share your thoughts on what should be happening. The text and video of this State of the County message, along with links to the programs and initiatives that I've mentioned, is available on our website at www.pinellascounty.org. Thank you for joining me for this update, and have a safe and joyous holiday season. May God bless you, and may God bless Pinellas County and our great nation.